Welcome to At Home with Anita Rosner. It's President's Day, so I'm wearing my Colonial shawl. And I thought we would celebrate by making common patties. Reportedly, common patties were a favorite of George and Martha Washington, and they used to eat them at Mount Vernon. So what is a common patty? Well, it's a little meat pie, very rustic looking. It smells delicious. Think of it as a revolutionary empanada, if you will. They're very easy to make. Let me show you how. You will need 1 pound of ground beef, half a cup of chopped Canadian bacon, half a cup of red onion chopped, 1 tablespoon of fresh thyme leaves, 2 rolls of refrigerated pie dough, salt and pepper, and 1 tablespoon of melted butter. In a dry nonstick skillet over medium heat, cook your Canadian bacon for about 1 to 2 minutes. Add your ground beef. Add your onions and continue cooking and stirring. Then season with salt and pepper and add your thyme leaves. Continue cooking and stirring until the meat is browned. Then take it off the heat and set it aside. Trim your pie round into a square and then cut it into quarters. Add your meat mixture to each square, then fold and crimp. Place the patties on a lined baking sheet, brush with butter, then cut a small slit in the top to let the steam escape. Place in a preheated 350-degree oven for 35 to 40 minutes or until golden brown. So this recipe makes enough for 8 of these. So either if you make your own pie crust, make a double crust. If you are using the refrigerated pastry dough, use both rolls. And that's really all there is to it. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if there's something you'd like to know about, learn about, see me do, whatever, I don't know. Just, I like to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe. So let's give this a taste. By George, that's delicious.